Hello everyone, welcome back to my Unity Open World tutorial series. In this episode, this is what I'm going to work on. So now when walking, you can hear the footstep sound with a reduced pitch and a reduced volume. When I run, it should increase like this. And if I sprint, it would be changed furthermore. Okay, so that's what I'm going to cover in this episode. How to differentiate the sound of the footsteps based on the movement speed of the character. Okay, so at the moment when my character walks, no matter if he's walking or running, we don't hear any difference in the footstep sound, even for sprinting and also for crouching. So yeah, I need to give some kind of a differentiation to the sound, so that by hearing the sound, other than the frequency, by hearing the sound, the player should hear some difference, player should notice some difference other than the frequency. So to do that, let me open my character animation events script, and here all I do is play one shot and audio footstep. So what can I do to give some differentiation? Can we change the pitch of the sound being played based on the speed? So yeah, let's try that. So actually the speed varies from, let me check, yeah, from 0 to 7. Okay, so 5 should be the natural sound. No, when the speed is at 5, it should be the natural sound. Okay, so let's try something like this just to see how it here. We can set the pitch like this. We can divide when the speed is up, when the speed get higher, we need to have a higher pitch. So that's what I want to do actually. Okay, so let's divide actual speed by 5. And let's see how it works. For running it is the natural sound, for sprinting it is also okay. We hear the difference between sprinting, the running and sprinting clearly, but for walking it's not, it's too slow I guess. So therefore I think we need to clamp this. Maybe how to clamp this? Can we clamp it like this? Oh no. Let me cut this part math dot clamp, right. Main value should be 0.6 f and maximum value should be let's say 1.3 f. Now let's see how it works. It seems fine for working. But if I run, yeah, okay, that's better. So maybe we can do one more thing. We can reduce the volume of the sound. We can change the volume of the sound based on the speed. So let's try something like this. Audio dot volume equals let's clamp this one as well. So the value is value should be actual speed divided by 5. Oh wait, if I do it like this, alright, that's fine. So I'll clamp this between 0.3 f and 1.5 f. Okay, let's see how it works. Much better actually. But if I crouch, save, if I run, okay, better. So yeah, that's all I wanted to do for this episode, and I'll stop this episode at this point. Yeah, if you like to support my work, you can get the membership of my Patreon club. Link would be in the description below, and through the Patreon page I will share the project file and also other, if I made any exclusive videos, then I would also post them as well. And thank you for watching. See you in the next episode. Goodbye.